Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a large country situated in the Arabian Peninsula. A peninsula is a part of land jutting out into the sea. It is surrounded by water on three sides. The Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. It lies between the Red Sea on the west and the Persian Gulf on the east. Its capital is Riyadh. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. However, the climate is neither tropical nor temperate. The country gets very little rainfall. The humidity is very low, and the sun shines bright and hot throughout the year. Most of Saudi Arabia is a high rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. Therefore, its climate is hot and dry, with very little rainfall. The nights are cool, as the sand in the desert cools down quickly at night. The desert regions have small hills of sand called sand dunes. Strong winds and dust storms keep blowing the dry sand and shifting these sand dunes from one place to another. Very few plants grow in a desert climate. Cacti and some short shrubs, which can withstand the hot and dry conditions, can be seen growing in the desert regions of Saudi Arabia. At some places in the desert, underground water comes to the surface, forming a fertile area called oasis. Date palms and some crops such as wheat and barley are grown here. Saudi Arabia is a very rich country. This is because of the vast deposits of petroleum in the country. The money earned by selling petroleum to other countries have been used to build modern cities such as Riyadh and Jeddah. The people have modern facilities and the standard of living is quite high. A large number of Indians work in Saudi Arabia. Though the cities are modern, the society in Saudi Arabia is very traditional. The country is ruled by the king. Women must cover their head and body in the traditional black dress when they go out. They are not allowed to drive cars. Most men and boys wear the traditional loose-fitting white robes. Their heads are covered with white cloth, held in place by a ring. Traditionally, the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads, moving from one place to another. Even today, many people follow this lifestyle. They are called Bedouins. Their main occupation is rearing cattle. They move from place to place in search of pastures for their flocks of goats, sheep, and camel. They live in tents made of animal skin. They sell animals and their products at marketplaces in villages and buy food grains, dates, and other things. The lifestyle of Bedouins is also changing now. More and more of them are beginning to settle down in one place and use jeeps and cars for moving around. Several large industries have been set up in Saudi Arabia using the money earned by selling petroleum. Some of these are petroleum refining, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers. This has further made the people rich and prosperous. Saudi Arabia is a Muslim state. Islam, which was started by Prophet Muhammad in Saudi Arabia, is the official religion. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Mecca, the most important pilgrim center of the Muslims. Medina is another important religious center here. Saudi Arabia is an excellent example of a hot and barren desert being changed into a rich and prosperous land. The government of Saudi Arabia has used the natural resources found in the country very intelligently to benefit the people. Thus, Saudi Arabia is a unique territory on the planet that has its own special importance.